How to use aspirin in unusual ways. Aspirin is not only used for health benefits, but can be used for all kinds of unusual remedies. You will need a dead battery, fresh flowers, a mosquito bite or bee sting, color-treated hair, and sweat stains. Optional: a multivitamin, salt, and baking soda. Step 1. Put 2 aspirin in your car's battery if it's dead. The acetylsalicylic acid and the battery's sulfuric acid may produce a charge good for 1 more turn of the engine. Step 2. Add a crushed aspirin to water before adding fresh flowers to extend their life. Step 3. Wet your skin with water and rub in aspirin on a mosquito bite or bee sting to reduce inflammation. Apply aspirin dissolved in water to acne to dry out skin and get rid of pimples. Step 4. Restore color-treated hair affected by a chlorinated pool by dissolving 6 to 8 tablets of aspirin in a glass of warm water. Apply the solution to your hair and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Step 5. Remove perspiration stains from shirts by soaking the stained part in a solution made by crushing 2 aspirin in a half a cup of warm water. Did you know? Aspirin can lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes.